We're off to get breakfast at one of the little cafes. I think today we're going to explore the Murano glass factories, maybe buy some glass, and then we'll see where the day takes us. It is Thanksgiving 2025.
Our first stop was Gelato di Natura for a quick coffee and some pastries.
Oh, this is cute. Yeah, that's good. I kind of want a muffin. Okay. I want a big boy. Okay, they got big ones right there. Oh, let's go, big boy. Yeah. You slept good?
I slept great last night. I slept great last night? Yeah.
I do remember Thanksgiving breakfast.
Lui in qua, che lui non entra, perfetto. Americano.
Good. That's so good.
Pistachio Croissant is delicious.
I love this.
You love it? Sure.
Chocolate caramel muffin. When Nora I saw the caramel, so I just bought this chocolate muffin. I'll take extra caramel. It's good.
This place is adorable. This is really good croissant and coffee. What did you think, Daddy-O?
Fabulissimo. Delicioso.
Is that a word?
I don't think so. I just made it up.
Delicioso.
Yeah, that too. After breakfast, we headed out to explore Murano with the goal of seeing as many glass factories as we could.
Very good.
This is what Murano is known for. Venice actually moved all the glass making out here back in the 1200s, partly because of the fire risk and partly to keep their techniques a secret, and it's pretty much stayed that way ever since.
We can go there. I just want to see some. It says we can go right there.
Where do you want to go?
The first glass factory we visited was the Wave Glass Factory.
Good, Charlotte. Charles.
This is the Wave Glass Factory.
The Wave Glass Factory was established in 2017 and is housed in a building from 1850. Their mission is to carry on traditional glassmaking techniques while embracing modern-day technology. You can visit for free or sign up for one of their experiences, such as a behind-the-scenes tour, glass-making class, or even design a custom piece for them to produce while you watch.
No touch. Okay, I won't touch.
From there, we ducked in and out of several other stores selling glass goods. We saw all kinds of drinkware, beautiful sculptures, lighting, and just about anything you could imagine. Just getting lost down the alleyways and over the bridges was one of our favorite things to do. We loved seeing all that Murano had to offer.
Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up.
It's cool.
Double shot for the gifted, one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
Store down there.
Planned on visiting the Elegy glass factory next, but had a little time to kill before the next demonstration.
We wandered the boardwalk, taking pictures, until we found a little hole in the wall for some Ciccheti.
Oh, we came down here the other day, but through the other way, didn't we? We came in this.
Not going that way. Oh, now make it last.
There's a bistro. Right here.
People say, live life in a fast lane. Double shot for the gifted.
Seating in there?
Yeah,
Very good.
sitting in there. Do you want any of this?
Sardines?
Sardine. Oh,
One.
one.
Just one.
This. And then. Is that good? And then 2 of these.
And 2 of those.
Huh? And then
And an Americano?
2 Americano.
You just a bottle of water, right?
Yeah. Right. Thank you.
Good.
I'm gonna shimmy over here.
Yeah, you gotta shimmy. Like some kind of cheese and sardine.
Cheese is good. Hot?
Fishy.
A little fishy?
It tastes fishy. Crunchy. This is really good.
I tried. Your meatball?
I think so.
This is pretty good.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Do you want to try sardine? Sardine pasta?
Yeah.
Kind of look good?
Yeah, can I try the meatball?
Got a lot of flavor.
Can I try the meatball?
Oh.
They're good.
Like it? Yeah. What about the history of it? Do you find that interesting? No, you don't find that interesting? Oh, that's too bad.
When it came time for our demonstration, we made our way back to Elegy glass. This factory was founded nearly 100 years ago and has remained a family operation ever since. They offer demonstrations for small as well as large groups and a shop where you can buy their handiwork.
Our base is ready. Temperature of the glass 500, 600 degrees Celsius right now, so it's still.
We've bought souvenirs, looked at glass factories, walking around the canal. Okay. Now we're looking for pizza. Or something. Whoa, look at that guy.
Oh, no.
It's like we're back home, huh? Sound good?
Yeah, let's go try.
Oh, yeah. Pizza nearby.
Yeah. Looks good. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Mangiare?
Inside?
We hit everything we needed to hit, right?
Yeah.
Except for the souvenir stores near the hotel.
Yeah.
We want to hit the church,
Yeah.
and we have to hit the grocery store.
Okay.
Because we need food for the and water for the bus tomorrow.
Bus isn't going to have anything on it for us to eat.
Country just got
Are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Please.
Can I get an Aperol Spritz, please?
I have a Moretti Grande.
Tu già sei andato c'è?
Sure.
Sì. Sì.
Sì. Yeah. Ni hao.
That's it.
Grazie.
I like that the Italians are like funny.
Yes.
Give me one for me.
You want some of your hair?
You said you have a lot of hair.
Thank you.
You need to share.
Or nothing or too much. Come here.
It's okay, his is going too.
Couple years.
But you have just the color, but I don't tell nothing.
Little bit.
Sounds like a time to me.
All right. Gotcha.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Everybody's good.
Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, big water. Oh, I thought I said Caribbean back. Oh no, Mediterranean.
What are you having for Thanksgiving lunch, Braden?
I'm having Diavolo pizza.
And you too, Cole?
Yep, since you've been living off the stuff.
That's good to hear. Mommy, what do you got for Thanksgiving lunch?
We're having sausage and mushroom pizza.
Oh,
And
what's
an Aperol Spritz.
Aperol Spritz. Good to know. And a big beer. Happy Thanksgiving.
No, it is not on the Italian peninsula. It's not. It's by the Italian peninsula.
Easily the best pizza I've had this trip.
Is it like it's that island? It's right. It's southern from the French island, right?
The sauce is good.
No.
It's not sweet.
What's that name of that island I'm thinking of? What?
Good sausage. After lunch, we wandered into the Church of St. Peter the Martyr. This church was originally built in 1348 as part of a monastery and was dedicated to St. John the Baptist. The original structure was destroyed by a fire in 1474 and was rebuilt in 1511, and then dedicated to St. Peter the Martyr. We explored the island some more before finally stopping to see the Basilica of St. Maria and Donato.
This is the church, babe.
Oh, wait, that's the church.
Yeah.
Would you think that you can go on the top?
I don't know about that. What is it? Is it a memorial or a circle?
Might be the way into the... In front of the basilica is a peaceful memorial called the Monument to the Fallen, dedicated to those that gave their lives during World War I. This basilica is one of the oldest churches in Venice and dates back to around the 7th century. It was originally dedicated to the Virgin Mary. It was rebuilt in the 12th century in the Venetian Byzantine style you see today. In 1125, relics from St. Donato were brought here from Greece, and the church was renamed in his honor.
For dinner, we celebrated Thanksgiving by dining at our hotel restaurant, Osteriva. It offers contemporary Venetian dining with seasonally focused local dishes. It's a place where you can slow down and enjoy the experience.
Pappardelle pasta. It's like really thick. It's like fettuccine, only thicker. And the ossobuco meat. The sauce is ossobuco. So
Then you wanted to try.
to start, can we start with the savory heart?
Okay.
The liver?
Okay.
I bet it's
Try the small piece. If you like it, take that. If not, somebody else is going to eat it. 'Cause I don't want you gumming it all up. If you're not going to eat it.
It's good.
There you go.
Thanksgiving.
Everything's
Happy Thanksgiving. Drink the one drop of water left in there.
Ow.
So this is the savory heart beignet with liver and cheese fondue. Campofiorin.
We are at dinner at we just got our first course of dinner, which is this thing. Wow.
Liver.
But yeah, so yeah, I don't really want it. And why did I bring potatoes and bread?
Alright, so we're gonna try this savory heart. It's pretty good. I wasn't expecting it to be cold.
It's lukewarm.
Yeah. Flavors are good though. Do you guys want to try it?
Shiver me timbers, no.
It's got a lot of flavor.
It does.
Shiver me timbers, no.
What is this pastry?
I got the
Penne
penne. Yeah.
with
Mozzarella, no. Parmesan.
and
More cheese.
Butter.
Butter.
Really good though. Delicious.
Thanksgiving in Italy.
So we've got the pappardelle with duck ragu, right? You want to tell me what you got?
I have the rack of lamb with some roasted carrots, different vegetables, and an orange sauce.
Cool. There's lamb.
It's good. Orange is different, but it's not obtrusive at all. It's just
All right, what'd you get, Bryn?
Tiramisu. I'm staying up all night because this is coffee.
Just go right into the middle like a heathen.
Sure. Yeah, of course he does.
Just try it.
It's like ice cream, I think.
No, it's tiramisu.
Yeah, it's tiramisu.
Wait, I know. That's so good.
You love it?
What do you got?
I got some goat cheese foam thing.
White chocolate.
White chocolate, goat cheese. Oh, that's really good. It's light and fluffy and goat cheesy, which I like.
It's up here like powder, so it's like cocoa powder, I think. And below it is the actual tiramisu. It's really good.
Good.
Delicious.
This is my dessert right here, and cold
Alright,
tiramisu.
well, I don't know. Let's try this tiramisu. It looks good.
Tiramisu.
That's coffee. That's strong.
It's good.
That's what I'm saying. It's cocoa powder.
Our time in Venice and Murano has come to an end, but there's still a lot more to this adventure. If you like this video and want to see where else we go on our Thanksgiving vacation, give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment. There's so much more to this trip.
Ciao for now.